For something to play. I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna do something. I already tried to do I See You. I might finish it, I might not. Ugh. Oh, let's play a sad game. Because I remember this one. Isn't it sad? I mean, it looks sad. It looks very sad. It's like sad. Shit, I still have those two. I could throw that one away. I was trying to get the Minecraft the True Love shit. It seemed interesting. I watched this guy play. I forgot his name, honestly. There you go. No extract. Fuck. Oh. Well then. I guess I got it correct. Arrows to move, press space. That night. Should we turn it off? I think we should. Oh, I'm controlling him. Woo!
It's funny the things you remember. I remember rain. Thousands of tiny razors against my skin.
That's a bit depressing. There's a cop. How do I talk? Shit.
Keep back. You'll
Oh.
need to be here shortly.
I don't want to keep back.
I almost bled to death. I couldn't. I had to find you. And when I did, I almost wished that I hadn't.
Aw, come on, who died?
I sat there, playing out the situations, the things I could have said and how I could have changed.
I'm gonna turn the light off real quick. My messy pile over here. It's crappy, I know. Okay. Fuck. Ow, what the fuck was that? Oops, it was a box. Let's just put that under the bed. Ow, fuck. This violin playing is so sad. I suck with this. Talk to
Just
receptionist.
have to wait like the rest of them.
I don't want to wait though. I'm not a waiting person. Fuck you.
I've been waiting here for days.
The doctor seems to have oversleeping.
I'm so sorry. There's nothing more we could have done.
That's sad. You bastard! You let my daughter die? Wife died. Yeah. It's a sad funeral of his lifetime. That's great. I should turn this volume down, but I don't think I should.
May your memories give you strength. We live in the hearts of those we leave behind.
Do we really go to a better place?
Well, that's sad.
How can you sum up someone's entire life in a single day? So many words I wanted to say. I spoke to them. And I said them to you.
Wait, is that all? That's fucking sad. Yay! Oh, okay, I'm sorry. I may have been having a bit too much fun. Let's just close these. Ooh. Aesthetic. My favorite thing in the whole world. Where's my bed?
I can't fucking do it.
Oh, come on, do it, brother.
I've learned to live without you. But still, sometimes I wish that I was the one that died. I wish that it was me in that car, and you in that radio.
That it was you standing here now. That it isn't like that, is it?
That's so sad. What the
Give it all to
fuck?
you if I could.
Is that all? Are they really gonna give me a sad story? Well, that makes my day freaking better.
It's funny the things you remember.
Is that
I
really
remember
all?
the rain.
That's all. That is so sad. Okay. I guess that's it for now. That's sad. Okay, let's throw that away. Let's see if anyone's still online. Because I'm on Game Jolt. You should talk to me sometimes. But I'm done. Well, I'll see you later, Dark Minions. And goodbye. And I'm sorry for the sad game. I knew it was kind of sad considering the title. But then I was like, oh no, it's not gonna be bad. And I was like, oh, but I don't cry that much, so it didn't really affect me. It could have affected you, but I apologize. Well, I'm gonna see you next time, my friends. My fluffy friends. Meow. Bye.